What's the meaning of chisel? Chisel. Chisel.
Chisel. Chisel. A chisel is a cutting tool with a shaped blade that is used to carve and shape hard materials such as wood, stone, or metal. The blade of a chisel is usually made of tempered steel and is sharpened to a fine edge, allowing it to make precise cuts and remove small amounts of material. When used correctly, a chisel can create intricate designs and smooth surfaces, making it a valuable tool for artists, craftsmen, and builders alike. However, improper use or mishandling of a chisel can result in injury or damage to the workpiece.